coffee.
We've got a super exciting day today. We have arranged a car for ourselves. And we're going on the most beautiful road trip in the world, Chapmans Peak. And we're gonna go meet some penguins. It's gonna be good.
Can we come here and stay for a year, please?
Monya is just getting pretty for the penguins.
Yeah.
But apparently, you can actually go up to the penguins and they'll come up to you and sometimes bite you.
Look!
My eyes are wide open. I see you clear. My toes touch the same floor our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying?